Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're making a Mexican favorite, salsa. I hope you enjoy my recipe of the salsa that I make. For our salsa, we have some red tomatoes. I'm putting these into my mixie. Onions which have been finely chopped. Some garlic which has been finely chopped. Jalapenos, you can use tin or fresh, finely chopped. Coriander, finely chopped. Some oregano. Taco seasoning. And red chili paste. This paste is made out of Kashmiri chilies which has been soaked in hot water and then ground into a paste. And lastly, we're just adding some white vinegar. So to make our salsa, ingredients have all gone into the mixer. We will be grinding this, but we don't want to make it into a smooth puree. So what I do is I turn on my mixie, turn it off, and I pulse it basically, and that's how we make our salsa. So our salsa is ready and I hope you enjoy it. I use this in making my tacos, my nachos, my burritos. I love eating it with my nacho chips. So I hope you use this as much as I do.